Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lillian Uja. In today's video, I want to show you how you can find licensed recruiters, licensed agents who are legally allowed to connect you to foreign employers. So in case you are a foreigner looking for how to come into Canada, peradventure you have watched my video on Alberta is calling, and you're looking for how to get to these employers, but it's been difficult. In video as well, I'm going to show you list of licensed recruiters in 2 other provinces just for you to have all the information. It's going to be a very detailed video. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, so make sure you watch to the very end so you get all the information. I'm here to make it easy for you. In case you have not seen my video on Alberta is calling, you'll find it here. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you with my laptop. I have my laptop here, so you're going to go to Google. We're going to be starting with Alberta, okay? Then I'll show you the other 2 provinces. So this is for Alberta. So guys, we'll get to our Google browser, right? And we'll type list of licensed foreign worker recruiters in Canada. So when we type that, we put it into the browser and it takes us down. So you will see this second option you find here, which is resources for temporary workers, foreign workers, alberta.ca. We'll click on it. It brings us to the Alberta government website. Okay, so we're going to go to, we can see all the information they have. We're not concerned about this. What we are concerned about is all services. So we click on all services and we go to government. So, or another way you can do this is, to go to the search bar and you type in licensed foreign worker recruiters. So when you type in licensed foreign worker recruiters, okay, you search for that in this browser. It brings these options for you: resources for employers of temporary foreign workers. Then it also brings Edmonton, Alberta Employment Agency. We don't have any business with these other 2 options. What we have a business with is the resources for employers of temporary foreign workers. So we'll click on this. When we click on this, we scroll down. We scroll down to search for a licensed employment agency. Okay, so when you click on search for a licensed employment agency, it brings you to this page, okay, where you can impute the business name. For me, what I do is, it doesn't show you all the businesses or the employment agencies at once. So what I do is I use the letters, alphabetical letters. So I'm going to use alphabet B, right? And I'll click on submit. When I click on submit, I'll go down and download the results in Excel format. So it opens up the Excel sheet for me again. In this Excel sheet right now, you can now search for these employment agencies. Now follow me. You will see that this is an employment agency. This was the year when it was incorporated. That's when it was licensed. This is the name of the company. This is the address. It's in Southwest Calgary. This is the expiry of the license, 2024. So you want to be sure that the license, you can see it here, expiry date, okay? You want to be sure that the license of this person has not expired. So this is another employment agency, Debbie Mastel Associates Limited. It was licensed in 2022. The employment agent is located in Northeast, and this is the expiry date of the license, 2024. Now that is what you can do. Let's try C. Let's try alphabet C, okay, and see what it brings for us. Okay, this is how I search for employment agencies, and so you can be able to contact them to tell them you need a job as a foreign worker. So you can just keep doing this. Okay, now this is another employment agency. This is another employment agency, Essential Incorporated, licensed in 2022, located in Calgary, and their license is to expire 2024. So you can also scroll down to find more agencies. This is another employment agency. So what you do is that you can just keep searching. This is another one again. You can keep searching with the alphabet to get the recruiters you want. You can reach out to them. You can type in their the name of the company on the browser to get their phone number. Most times they have a website where you can now find the contact number to contact them, or you send them an email, okay? Or you go through LinkedIn as well to search for them. Now let's move on to the other provinces. I want to talk about 2 other provinces today. The reason why I started with Alberta is because I already did a video on Alberta, and a lot of people were asking of how they can find these recruiters that can help them get employment. So now let's move on to for those who are looking, in case you're looking for other, because you can explore every option you want. You don't have to put yourself or fix yourself in the Alberta. So let's try another one. So go to Google. Okay, let's go to Google. So you go to Google and you type list of foreign recruiters, okay, in Canada. So when you come here, you can scroll down a bit and you'll find this 4th option, licensed foreign worker recruiters, okay, in BC, which is British Columbia, okay. It opens up their website for you. This one is really straightforward, unlike the Alberta website. So when it opens up the page for you, the next thing you want to do is you want to search for them. These are their names. The license. So if you license, you can actually view this is the name of the licensee. This is the business name. The company is located in Surrey, and it's in Canada. The expiry date of this license is 2024. And here they even put conditions. Like there are some licenses that have conditions attached to them. So here you find that this doesn't have a condition attached to it. If there is a condition attached to it, you can click on it and to find out what condition is attached before applying or before reaching out to that person. So you can scroll down to find more of these people, okay? Like I said, it's very, very straightforward with the BC website, unlike the Alberta website, okay? This one is located in Brampton, Ontario, Canada, okay? It doesn't also have a condition attached to its license, okay? So let's even scroll. Let's try one. So I'm going to pick this guy, Deraj Singh, who is located in Surrey as well, Canada, okay? Let's view his license. So if you click on view license, it opens up his license for you, so you can read the terms attached to his license, okay? So his phone number is also here, guys. I love this website. It's making it very straightforward and easy. He has the phone number here. He has his email, so you can easily contact him to know if he can assist you with connecting you to a foreign employer who can get you a job. Now, this certifies that Deraj Singh has been licensed to recruit foreign workers. He has been licensed by the government to recruit foreign workers for employment in British Columbia. So this guy is just for BC. He does not have a license to recruit for other provinces. Now, his license was issued in February 1, 2023, which was this year. So it took effect the same day. And then his expiry is same December this year. So you want to be careful. And one thing I want you guys to know is that these licensed recruiters do not have any obligation to charge you for their service. They are not supposed to charge you any money to help you get recruiters or to help you get employers who are looking for your service, okay? So do not be worried or do not be scared how much it will cost. The companies who have engaged them to look for people for them have already paid them for that service, so they are not supposed to charge you for it. So guys, that's how to look for these people. You go to the next page, you see more of them, okay? And you see Calgary. There's one in Calgary, there's in Vancouver, there's in Alberta, Winnipeg, Manitoba. So guys, you can just keep scrolling and this is how to get them. Now let's move to the third province. So the second option you'll find here, right? When you come into this page, the second option you'll find is licensed foreign worker recruiters in Nova Scotia, in case you're interested in Nova Scotia. So when you click on it, you'll find all the information you need. Now, in this particular one, you will find the names. This is a Yoruba name, and it's from my place. I'm from Nigeria, so I recognize the name Adishola Awudili. Okay, so he is in Ontario. His expiry, the license is expiring 2025. Okay, August 2025, and then there's no condition attached to his license, so you can actually reach out to this guy and let him know you need a job. Now there's this other person, Areza Dorixter. This guy is in Nova Scotia. His license expires 2025, but guys, there is a condition attached to his to his license. I want to click on this. Let's see what condition is attached. Okay, I click on the PDF and it brings out his license for me. It brings out his address. He also brings out his phone number, his email address, so you can reach out to him. Now he says, for the business of finding foreign workers for employment in Nova Scotia, or finding employment in Nova Scotia for foreign workers. Guys, for foreign workers, so for people like you. The license cannot be transferred or assigned. This license is effective June 24, 2022, and it will expire June 23, 2025. It is illegal. Can you guys see the clause? It is illegal to charge fees to workers for helping them find work in Nova Scotia. So the government has made it clear, even in their license, okay, that it is illegal for them to charge you. So guys, they don't have to charge you, okay? If you're going to be paying them, you are doing it on your own free will. They don't have to charge you for them to help connect you, although there might be some dubious ones, but normally they are not to charge you for connecting you to employers who are looking for your service. I have shown you for Alberta, I have shown you for Nova Scotia, and I've showed you for British Columbia. Guys, I hope that this will help you make your work easy, make it less stressful for you to find these legit recruiters. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you how you can apply for jobs through the Canada Job Bank. A lot of people also reach out to me to say they've not been able to get employers, and some of them don't respond, and then some of them will tell them they don't employ foreign workers. Okay, I'm going to show you the secrets. So if you have not subscribed, this is your chance. Subscribe so that when I put up that video, you'll be the first to know about it. See you guys on the next one.